Now you need images to put on your Halloween decorative bowl. A good place to find images are clip art catalogs. There are many you can find online or in your bookstores or stationery stores, and they have a myriad of different holidays. Today we're doing Halloween. So see how many images they have for you to choose from? And some of them even come with CD discs for your computer. So you can download the images, make them whatever size you want, and print them out. See, I printed these out and I've done multiple images, and it's great. Also, another good source are old-fashioned postcards. You have to be careful with copyright on books and other images that you use. Here's some others. But those are some places to find images.